Please subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hi guys, today's I keep coming back in another video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing this Monopoly electronic banking. This is a new edition of Monopoly, and this comes with an electronic banking unit. And let's just see, cards not cash, store millions on your bank card, and easy play electronic banking unit. And it has a Hasbro logo over here, and 8+ and 2 to 4 players because there are 4 cards, and power up with Duracell batteries not included. And let's just see the side of the box. There's nothing over here, also nothing over here, also nothing over here. Let's just see behind, and this is the behind part. Monopoly electronic banking, buy, trade and win with the electronic way. 4 exclusive tokens, 4 cool bank cards, bank your millions. As you can see, the tokens and bank cards are similar colors: blue, yellow, red, and green. And in Sri Lanka, the price is about 4,300 rupees. And also you have the logo over here, and contains one game board. I'll zoom it. Contains one game board, 28 title deed, 16 chance cards, 16 community chest cards, 32 houses, 12 hotels, 4 tokens, 2 dice, 1 electronic banking unit, which is this, and 4 electronic banking cards, which is this, and a game guide. And now let's unbox it. And guys, this is the board. We get a instruction manual, a user guide, the banking unit, some cards, and the house and hotels and the tokens. Let's first see the tokens over here. I'll just get the tokens out. And guys, I took it out of the box, the polythene bag. And now we have this is a jet. Then we have a headphone over here. Then we have a car, as you can see, a car. And this is a horse or a dog or an alien robot, who cares. And we get 2 dices, and 12 hotels and 32 houses. Now let's go for the banking unit. And guys, this is the banking unit. Now let me take it out. We get the banking unit itself, and 3 AA, 2 batteries. Yes. And we get 2 cards and 4 cards totally. I'll take it out. And guys, as you can see, I took it out, and as you can see, the color code matches: yellow, blue, red, and green. Now let's talk about the electronic banking unit itself. I need to insert 2 batteries, and I got 2 Duracell's batteries, which is AAA. I'll just show you. As you can see, it's here, it's written AAA, and I got these 2, and I'll be fixing it and I'll show you. Now guys, I got the electronic banking unit fixed with the batteries. Now let me demonstrate it. Now we have the electronic banking system, the unit here itself, and this is the million button, the go receive 2 million button, the K button, like 1000, and these are the numeral patterns, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I got a 0 here. This is the clear button. This is the decimal place button. This to add another account balance, and this to subtract another account balance. This to transfer one account to another account credit. And now let's insert the card and check. I'll take the number 1 card over here. As you can see, even the cards have number. I'll just show you here. 1, 2, as you can see, I'll just unzoom it, 2, then 3 and 4. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. I'll just show you 2 guys clearly. As you can see here, 1, here 2. Other numbers are same except these, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, as you can see. And I'll just take the number 1 card, and when I insert it, I'll get a beep noise, as you can see, and it shows the card number. And at beginning, each card has 50 million. I'll just insert another card and show you. This is the 4th card I have over here, and now I'll just show you. And this is the 4th card, and again you get 50 million. And now I'm just gonna add the transaction for this. Like I'm gonna add 2 million to an M, and I have to click this, as you can see. And now if I wanna get the Go money, and if I wanna transact 500k, I'll just put 00k and add. If I want to subtract, now I'm gonna get it back to 15,000, so I'm gonna subtract this. I'll just 350. I'm sorry, I'll just clear this. As you can see, 3.5 million, and you click the subtract one. I get 16,000. Now again I subtract 1 million again. I get the required amount. Now I'm gonna transact 5 million to this card. As you can see, I'm gonna transact 5 million to the third card. I'm gonna transfer 5 million from this card to that card. Now I have to remove the card. Then take this card and insert it like this. The way the arrow shows, and then the card's number, and I have 50 million here. Then I have to click this to get that card money over here. I'll click this, I'll get 5 million extra. I'll get 20 million. And guys, now if I want to clear the game, and everything should be 15 15 15, so if I want to reset the whole banking system unit, I have to click this C and wait for at least 3 to 5 seconds. I'll just click and wait. I'll just and the game is reset back to normal. And guys, let's see the other things in the box. And now we have the title deed card, the chance, and the community chest cards. Let's examine about the cards. And also guys, in my next video I'll show you how to set up this Monopoly electronic banking system. And now let's just examine about the title deed cards. We have over here the title deed cards. I'll just turn it around, and as you can see, these are the cards I have over here. I'll just zoom it for you. This is the card which I have for like each card. It differs. The house's value, the house price, the mortgage, the rent, everything changed. These are companies, these are railway station. Oops. And yep, and that's it. Now let's go into the chance card. Just keep this aside. And here the chance card. Like over here it's written chance on top. The first card is you are acquitted, get out of jail free. This card may be kept until it needed or traded. Now if you go and get caught in the jail, you can come out of the jail free by you choosing this card. And some other options are there, like get a break for driving a hybrid, collect 500k. You have to collect it by the electronic banking unit. And now let's go for the community chest. Also, the community chest is so similar to the chance, and as you can see, it has advance to go and collect 2 million. You have to do it in the board, and I'll just turn it for you. And community chest, redo the landscaping at your properties, pay 400k per house and 1.15 million per hotel you own. That's in the game. Now I'll just show you the instruction manual. And guys, here we have the instruction manual, the electronic banking Monopoly, and this is the instruction manual. I'll just read it. Set it up, play, the banking unit, the board spaces, buildings, help, I can't play. Help, I can't pay. The banking unit, advanced top tips, and some cautions, nonsense. Now let's see the board. Okay guys, I have the board over here, and now let's take a look into the board. And guys, this is the board. You can see go, and these are houses, and this is the community chest over here. Oops, sorry for that. The community chest over here, chance over here, and the company over here, the railway station over here, and also go to jail is over there, as you can see over here. I'll show you there. And super tax is over here, income tax is over here, and free parking is over there, and visiting jail is over here. And I'll just show you all the things overall setup. And guys, these are the overall stuff I got in the box. These 4 tokens, the chance card, I just kept it like that. Then only you can see. If I keep it like this, it will not be visible because that's same. And I get 1, 2, 3, 4 cards over there. Community chest cards, title deed cards, the instruction manual, the houses, and also the main thing, the electronic banking unit. And guys, if I hit 10 likes in this video, I'll be showing the part 2, how to set up and play this game. Thank you guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.